Russia. Ooh, Russia. 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 Hoax. Russian roulette. Russian salad. Russian this. Russian that. Fuck the Democrats. Russia is like their MoMA who never went back. It's always Russia, 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 Russia. What about America? They both so much love and hate each other. Don't you see it, right? I mean, come on. You gotta be kidding me if y'all don't see it. It's happening every day. Right there in the fucking open man. It's a fucking joke. These two body parts of the same body just don't really get it. It's like the two sons of Adam. Which one killed which one? Yeah. Think about it in your fucked up souls.